Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Classroom app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Classroom app, you should just go settings. After that, in this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window of Google Classroom and you will enter here. Then this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. After that, you will enter to storage. Here in this page of app of this app of Google Classroom, you can click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.